Hello. Welcome to Deep River Landing in Deep River, Connecticut. I'm Stephen Watson, here with today's Tàijíquán Tip. Yesterday it was very hot, mid-90s, I think, Fahrenheit, and very heavy, humid air. I don't know what the percentage was, but a little bit of rain came in the nearby town, so I assume it was about 100% humidity. But anyway, it was very much just heavy. And of course, I was outside practicing and hydrating and being careful and stuff. And now I'm here at the landing the next morning, and it's got to be 70 or something. And it feels like zero humidity, a nice breeze, overcast, and early morning, so the sun's not very much up. And so today's Tàijíquán tip is to notice when the air is significantly changed from one day to the next. Maybe that's sort of the ions after the rain. Maybe it's humidity showing up or going away. And kind of see if you can tune into the actual feel of the air, right? As you move your body through that air. Does this air feel any different, right? The temperature, I know, feels different. It's 25 degrees different or whatever. But in terms of sort of the density of the air, perhaps, right? The viscosity of the air. And I'm just trying to tune into that with my movements and expression. So I invite you to do the same. So thank you for that and enjoy.
Thanks for showing your support for today's Tàijíquán tip. Tips really go a long way. And if you can't afford to help financially, comment, subscribe, share, and like, and all that stuff. To be in touch with me, go to my Linktree, Someday Farm. Thank you.